Understanding trust when it's broken. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you enhance your learning journey. Today, we're exploring a phrase that carries a lot of weight in both personal and professional relationships. The trust is broken. Understanding this phrase is crucial, as it touches upon the foundation of how people interact and rely on each other. So, let's break it down together. Trust is the firm belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's what friendships, partnerships, and teamwork are built on. Trust involves confidence and security in knowing that someone will act in your best interests or that things will go as expected. When trust is present, there is a sense of harmony and safety. The trust is broken signifies a situation where that previously established confidence has been damaged due to actions or behaviors deemed unfaithful, dishonest, or unreliable. This phrase often implies a significant emotional impact, as breaking trust can lead to feelings of betrayal, hurt, and uncertainty. It's not just about a single act. It's about the erosion of a foundational element in a relationship. Once trust is broken, the consequences can be severe and long-lasting. Relationships may suffer, with increased distrust, conflict, and emotional distance. In professional settings, it might lead to a breakdown in teamwork, decreased morale, and productivity. Rebuilding trust, if at all possible, requires time, patience, and consistent effort. Acknowledging the breach, sincere apologies, and changed behavior are crucial steps in this process. Repairing broken trust is a challenging journey that involves communication, forgiveness, and rebuilding confidence. It's essential to understand that while forgiveness may be possible, forgetting is not always feasible. Healing requires a commitment from both parties to learn from the incident and work towards a future where trust can be cautiously re-established. Remember, rebuilding trust is not guaranteed and depends heavily on the actions and intentions of those involved. We hope this video has helped you understand the significance of the phrase, "The trust is broken." Trust is a delicate aspect of human relationships that, once damaged, demands great care to mend. Whether in personal connections or professional engagements, fostering an environment of trust is fundamental for harmony and growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking care of your relationships is key to a fulfilling life. See you in our next video.